Welcome back again for another video, and for this video we'll be key mapping Warzone Mobile using Flydigi.
Get ready.
If you want to key map Warzone Mobile using Flydigi, you need to key map fast, because if not, you will be kicked out from the game. So first, open Flydigi app, new, put this on the WASD button, save, any file name you want, done, confirm, move around, then let's move, and open Flydigi app again, edit, the mouse, double click this, adjust this to your preferred setting, confirm. So see, I got kicked out again, so you need to do key mapping fast. So let's do simple drag and drop. Right mouse click is the scope, left mouse click is the fire. Make sure that you put the left mouse click on the left side of the fire button, not on the right. So I'll explain it later. So make sure the left mouse click should be on the left side of the fire button. Okay, move again. So open again, edit, wheel up, wheel down, this for reload, this is for jump, this is for crouch, see, save. So let's test. What? Again? So to key map front of Flydigi app, edit, shift, left shift, double click this macro, edit, add the button, should be swipe up, make this 0, make this at least 100, and make this 105. So confirm, put this on here, save. So if you press the shift once, it will run. For the tac sprint, if you want to key map the tac sprint, Flydigi app, edit, left shift, this is the tac sprint, left shift, save, done. So if you press once the left shift, it will run, and if you press again the left shift, it will tactical sprint, it will tac sprint. Run and press again the left shift to tac sprint or tactical sprint. So for the cursor, open Flydigi app, edit, middle mouse click, double click this, fly mouse, click to open, make this, change this to your preferred sensitivity, confirm, save. If you press once the middle mouse click, cursor will appear, and if you press again the middle mouse click, cursor will disappear. And let's do the another behavior of the mouse. So open Flydigi app, edit, let's say letter G, double click this, fly mouse, press and hold to turn on, change this to perfect sensitivity, confirm, save. So if you press and hold the letter G, cursor will appear, and if you release the letter G, cursor will disappear. So that cursor is very important for Warzone Mobile if you're using Flydigi. Why? Because Warzone Mobile has a problem with converters, like the mouse will stop working, or the mouse will suddenly stop working. So the workaround for that is make the cursor appear and make it disappear. So that's the only solution for the sudden mouse problem. So for the grenade, make sure that your settings, controls, customize HUD. So we're in multiplayer, click on the throwables, variants, make sure that you choose direct throw, apply. After you choose the direct throw for throwables, let's keymap the grenade or throwables. So open Flydigi app, edit. So choose the button for your throwables. For the grenade, I'll choose 4, and another throwables is 5. Save. If you press and hold the number 4, press and hold, and if you release the number 4, it will throw the grenade. Same goes to another throwables. See this one, number 5. So if you press and hold the number 5, and if you release the number 5, so that's for throwables. So for no-recoil, if you want to set the no-recoil for your gun, I really suggest that you choose your favorite gun and scope before you do no-recoil setup. As you all know, different guns and scope has different recoil sensitivity. So I really suggest that you choose your favorite gun and scope before you do no-recoil setup. So if you want to set the no-recoil, open Flydigi app, edit, left mouse click, put this anywhere at the right side of the screen. This is important. FPS, auxiliary shoot. You can change this to your desired no-recoil settings. Say 2, confirm, save. So as you can see, still no recoil. See, number 2 auxiliary shoot is fine for me. So you can see. So as you can see here, it has no recoil. It's up to you what value of the auxiliary shoot that you will use. As for me, number 2 is okay. So I achieved the no recoil, as you can see. For setting up the no recoil, make sure the left mouse click is at the left side and the auxiliary shoot is at the right side of the screen. If you want to keymap the map, there's 2 behavior for the map. So first, so make sure the map is on here, near the edge. Done. So open map first, open Flydigi app, edit, click this, choose instant, confirm, put this on the X here. Let's make another button, Z again. Click this, fly mouse, press and hold to turn on. You can change the sensitivity here, confirm. So let's make another button again for map. Letter Z, double click this, by release, confirm, put this on the X here. So save, exit. So if you press and hold the letter Z, map will appear, and if you release the letter Z, it will disappear. So another behavior of map, all you need to do is Flydigi app, edit. So just remove the third keymapping for map. Ready? This Z number 1, make this click to open, confirm, save. So if you press once the Z for our map interface will appear, and if you press again the Z for our map will disappear. So for other key mappings, just do simple drag and drop like this one, edit. So this one is 1, 2, 3, and this the marker is the tab. Save. If I press once the tab, and if I press twice the tab, there we go. So by the way, if you want to do this, slide cancel, that's what you call this, slide cancel. I'll make a key mapping tutorial for that one if you're interested. The purpose of the slide cancel is to cancel the slide so that you can aim much faster and you can fire much faster after you slide. And you can also do that when you're reloading. I think that will be all for this key mapping tutorial of Flydigi. And if this video helps you, please click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more key mapping tutorials just like this one. I hope that you also watch my DIY tutorials, reviews, and other contents. So that's all, and see you in my next video. Boom!
Get ready.